There it is. That's doing this. We have an app that is doing this in a very boring way, sending hello or write a poem or something like hard-coded or static like that. And OpenAI said, we do what you want, here you go. So we got it working. Inputs. And those you find, come on. Here on the left, you have visual elements. Elements are things you put on the screen, and if you scroll down pretty far, let's see, edit that. Because I'm thinking let's have our 15-minute break now. Yeah, 1 second. We will have our 15-minute break now, so you can work a bit on this. I will be here, and you can go out, get some air or something like that, but during the 15 minutes, let's have the goal that everybody has these multi-lines, and I will be here to assist you. So just raise your hands if you want my help, and we will focus on getting to this. Right? But you're, of course, free to take a little break as well. And when you run it, yeah. So you make it work. Perfect. So great. Great. So yeah, we have sender. Sender, and yeah. So you're on the right way. So let's just here. That's the name inside the app. But this is the text, so you need to write audience here, and then this one you will rename audience. Then later on we need to find those when we turn inside the app. We never show to the users. This is what it shows. Yeah. As we give this input. That's the name that you named it sender, so then you can find it when we build later in the workflow. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Huh? You want to have a go?
Yeah.
All right, let me know. Perfect. Just always keep it 36 blue stuff to be able to build this, expression. And the way to do that is switch to this, where I compare that. What we are sending is either hello or write a poem or something like that. Is there anybody who cannot find that place? To put in more stuff into Bubble. All right. Is there anybody who does not have that? Should I show you how to get them again? Yes. Yeah. We'll open this larger text box, which is Q. Thank you. That is what we want. And what we want in there is to actually start typing the prompt. You good? Okay. And I will show you the end result, because that's easier, so you know what I mean. Yeah. The white text is static. I just type that in. That will always be sent to OpenAI. The blue stuff will come from the users, the 4 input fields that we just created on the page. So the prompt, this is the prompt that we're going to send to OpenAI. And this prompt will be a combination of the static instructions with the dynamic content you're writing when you're using the app. So that's what we're going to do. And yeah.
How did you get split as JSON?
Later. That's the final trick. So you have to bear with me on that. Okay, so what we want to do, what you want to do is, if you have this arbitrary text box and if yours is empty, what you do first is you type all the white text, type everything else, because that's the basic instruction that I invented as a prompter. So write text adhering to the rules set out in points 1 before we load. Number 1, write the text from someone with personality and tone of voice. So, and don't bother about the blue things, we will fix that later. So please, when you type the white text, just raise your hand so I can know that we can move on. That the user types in. In Bubble, to be able to get the other stuff in from the input fields, we first need to move to design. Oh, sorry, on that one. We need to move to design. So if you go to your design to the page and your 4 input fields, it's important that they have good names, because otherwise we cannot find them in the workflow. So everything needs a name, and the name is up here. So I'm calling this, the top one is multi-line input, which is like what it is, but I call it sender. That way I can find that when constructing the prompt in the workflow. So naming things is important, because that's the way to find things when you're going to do things in your app. So in your app now, click on each field, like I did here, click on that, and then type in a good name here.
So on the workflow, are we supposed to go to the design page?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so do as I do, go to the design page, and we are now preparing the input field names. So if I click on my second, it's called audience. Oh, this is not good. My third one is called C, which is useless because I will never find that. So I will call that the instruction instead, and I'll try to spell that right. So that's how I